Today I am reviewing Alienware Aurora ACT1250 gaming desktop. If at any time you'd like to explore this product for yourself and grab it at a great price, be sure to check the links below the video. The Alienware Aurora ACT1250 gaming desktop is a machine that blends power, design, and reliability, making it one of the most exciting gaming desktops of 2025. Alienware has always been a trusted name in the world of high-performance gaming systems, and with this Aurora, they've managed to refine their design and pack in some very impressive hardware for gamers, creators, and power users alike. Let's dive into what makes this PC such a solid choice if you're in the market for a new desktop. Starting with the design, Alienware is known for its futuristic and premium look, and this model is no exception. It features a modern chassis in a matte basalt black finish, complete with customizable AlienFX lighting zones. One of the standout elements is the stadium lighting, which gives the tower a sleek, gamer-centric appearance while still being subtle enough for a professional setup. The clear side panel also lets you show off your components and lighting effects, which is always a nice touch for a gaming rig. Now, moving on to performance, the ACT1250 comes powered by the Intel Core Ultra 7 265KF processor. This chip runs at a base speed of 3.3 GHz and can boost all the way up to 5.5 GHz, making it extremely capable for both gaming and multitasking. With 20 cores and advanced efficiency, this processor is designed to handle marathon gaming sessions, content creation, and even heavy workloads like video editing or live streaming. Alienware's optimized power delivery ensures that you're getting consistent clean energy to the CPU and GPU, which is crucial for smooth and reliable performance over long periods. Of course, the highlight for gamers is the graphics card. This desktop is equipped with the NVIDIA GeForce RTX 5060Ti, an 8GB GDDR5 GPU built on NVIDIA's Blackwell architecture. This card is perfect for modern AAA games, offering ray tracing, DLSS 4 support, and the ability to handle 1440p and even 4K gaming with impressive frame rates. Whether you're playing fast-paced shooters like Call of Duty or exploring vast open worlds like Cyberpunk 2077 or Elden Ring, the 5060Ti ensures you get smooth, detailed visuals with future-ready performance. When it comes to memory and storage, Alienware has included 16 GB of DDR5 RAM running at 5,200 MHz, which provides excellent speed and responsiveness. For most games and applications, 16 GB is plenty, though the desktop also supports upgrades up to 64 GB if you ever need more power for editing, 3D rendering, or advanced multitasking. Storage is handled by a fast 1 TB SSD, which means lightning-fast boot times, quick loading screens, and plenty of space for your favorite games and software right out of the box. Cooling is another area where Alienware has put in serious effort. This version comes with air cooling, but there is an optional 240mm liquid cooling setup available if you want even better thermal performance. Even with air cooling, the design of the Aurora ACT1250 is optimized for airflow, helping keep your CPU and GPU temperatures stable during long gaming marathons. Reduced acoustics also mean you won't have to deal with loud fan noise distracting you while you play or work. Powering all of this is a 500-watt platinum-rated power supply, ensuring both efficiency and reliability. It's more than capable of handling the components inside, while also leaving some room for future upgrades. Speaking of connectivity, this desktop has 10 USB ports, along with Wi-Fi and Bluetooth support, making it easy to connect all your peripherals, VR headsets, and accessories without running out of options. On the software side, Alienware's Command Center is a great bonus. It allows you to fully customize your lighting, monitor performance, switch between power states, and even set up unique profiles for each of your games. This means you can fine-tune how your system behaves depending on what you're playing or working on. It's one of those quality-of-life features that really helps you get the most out of your machine. Alienware also backs the ACT1250 with a 1-year on-site warranty. That means if something goes wrong and it can't be fixed remotely, Dell will actually send someone to your home or office to take care of it, which adds a lot of peace of mind. In summary, the Alienware Aurora ACT1250 gaming desktop is a top-tier choice for gamers and creators in 2025. It combines the raw power of Intel's Core Ultra processors, the cutting-edge performance of NVIDIA's RTX 50 series graphics, fast DDR5 memory, and sleek Alienware design into a package that feels premium and reliable. Whether you're looking for a desktop that can handle competitive gaming, content creation, or just a long-term investment in future-ready performance, this Alienware model delivers on all fronts. If you're in the market for a powerful, stylish, and dependable gaming PC that's built to last, the Aurora ACT1250 is definitely one worth considering. It's a balance of design, performance, and support that makes